Hello users! Today let's learn how to participate in Prospera Seed Round and buy the prop token through MetaMask wallet from your web browser. In the search bar on the top of your screen, feed seed.prosperabuild.com. Then you will have login to MetaMask wallet by clicking on Connect Wallet button. Select the wallet you wish to transact with. Click on Next button and Confirm button. A pop-up will indicate that you are successfully connected with wallet. Click the Participate Now button and then confirm in the MetaMask pop-up. You can click on the Buy Now button to start your transaction. Enter the UST amount you wish to buy prop token. Now you can click on Approve button to confirm your purchase of prop. Then click on Next button and then Approve button from your wallet pop-up as well. A pop-up will then confirm that the transaction is approved. You will then need to click on the Buy Now button. Now click on the Confirm button and your transaction is now complete. You can see hash code, amount, status, and all the other details of the transaction. The prop token shall reflect in your wallet after the vesting period is over. That's how easy it is to join the future ecosystem of RWA tokenization.